he's attacking mom. Look at him. He's attacking mom. How cute. I wanted to show his face because he's got these really beautiful blue eyes. Anyway, his official name is Blue's Legend. His dad is Blue Spruce, and because he's a blue merle, I was calling him Blue. But Miles told me that he's going to be called Blues Legend, so B-L-U-Z, and then kind of like Blues Legend for the music too, but Blues because his dad is Blue, and then Blues Legend. Oh, they're starting to play. These are going to be some cute videos. Oh, look it. Are you wagging your tail? Yeah. You good, Mama? Indy? Oh, is she gonna attack her mom? She's attacking her mom. Oh, look at how cute this is. He's an eater. Oh my God, he actually growled at Miles yesterday when he was moving him from the nipple. It was so cute. He's got a little attitude. And he's spunky when he goes to Butters. He's a little spunky boy. And then we got the dramatic sun bear. She's a little diva.